set it off, I suggest, yo. Androgynous space.
Pestiferous.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's split. That's that split right there.
Didn't I tell you?
Didn't I tell you?
I did that. If I did say so myself. Oh, crap. Oh my gosh. So big.
That's what she said.
Welcome back to March Madness.
We ballin' like the March Madness.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, guys, so it is bedroom refresh time and I am so excited. Now, I know we did one back in December. I don't even think it's been 3 months yet, but to be honest, I wasn't happy with it. I can't put my finger on it, but something just wasn't clicking. I felt like I was rushing to do the video. Not even the video, I think I was just rushing the design because my previous bedroom refresh, I was so pleased with it because I had done a lot of shopping and trial and error and put a lot of thought into that, and it came out perfectly. Like, in my mind, that is my summertime bedroom setting. When summer hits, I'm probably just gonna recycle what I did. But you guys know I love a fresh take on a space. So I still wanted to do something a little bit different, a little bit moodier for the winter to spring transition. And y'all, I'm pretty sure I nailed it. Now, it's no secret, I love an androgynous space.
Pestiferous.
More on the gender neutral more on the gender neutral side. I'm just so drawn to spaces that when you walk in, you don't automatically think a woman or a man or whoever you identify as lives here. I just love when it feels like whoever lives here has taste. I spent countless hours on Pinterest. Well, I do that anyway. But I dedicated a board to this bedroom refresh so I can fill out and actually visualize what I was going for. And it all came together. Like, whoever says otherwise, you just don't understand. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's split. That's that split right there.
I'm so in love with the space. And the crazy thing is, it really didn't take a lot. I changed the bedding, the wall art, and a few accessories, and it just feels like a completely different space. So without further ado, let's hop into the footage. Okay, so here we are. I took it down to the bare bones, if you will, and just kind of kept everything that I knew I wanted to keep in here. Garden sphere is probably gonna stay. Lamps, of course. Sculpture, plant, bench, and stools. The crazy thing is the space is gonna look totally different, but very few things are going to change. We're going to change the bedding, the wall art, and we're going to switch up the styling on my console table. So first things first, let's get the bedding on here. Oh my gosh, so big.
That's what she said.
Listen to your heart. Girl, it's like you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you.
Can we just get into this drama? Y'all, this is like exactly what I've been trying to obtain for so long. Like, y'all know the struggle. I've been buying comforters that are bigger than my queen size bed to get this. But oh, it's so good. And the way it looks up against the rug, my little stools, could not be happier. And just so y'all don't think I pulled it on one side to make it longer, she's long on both sides. So yeah. Now, if you guys remember, I do have a very long pillow that I want to put up here, and I just got the insert yesterday, so I think we're going to do that next. Okay, so like I said, I got this last night and it came in that box that you saw, but I didn't take into account that it probably needed time to inflate. So hopefully this doesn't take long, but I'm kind of impatient, so I think I'm gonna put the pillow cover on anyway. Is that bad? Don't care.
Whatever you want.
Oh my gosh, so pretty. Like, even the way it was before without this pillow, it looks great, but I think this just adds, you know, a little extraness, a little drama, which we love. And now that I think about it, that pillow is probably going to take all night to properly inflate and be really full, kind of like a mattress. So whatevs. Okay, so now that we have the comforter and the pillow on there, I want to go ahead and put the throw blanket down, because that's really, it's gonna set it off. Set it off, I suggest, y'all. You just wait and see.
I'm the only nigga who poppin' that. Got it jumping out that heat, they like who copping that.
Okay, so I really wanted the blanket to kind of waterfall like the bedspread does. Another thing I love about this bedspread is that it's so heavy duty. Like, it's linen, it's 100% linen, but it's so heavily quality, if you will, that I didn't even steam this. I mean, it could be steamed, it wouldn't hurt, but even without it being steamed, it looks amazing. It is a little bit washed out, but I just love the way the subtleness of the bedspread is up against this bold pattern. It's insane. And then the way this brown ties into the brown of the stools, I just thought it would tie it in really well. So good. Should I tuck that in, or do I leave it kind of effortless? I think I like it this way. And honestly, guys, that was the hard part. I'm gonna go ahead and put the finishing touches on, add the wall art and accessories, and we're done. Okay, just kidding. I had a thought. I found this rattan lampshade that I thought was amazing, and I kind of want to see what it's going to look like in here. So this is the shade. It's so pretty. It's Empire, just what I love. I just kind of want to see what it's going to look like. Oh yay, the sun's coming out. Okay, so here is the lampshade. I love it. How do we feel? I don't know. I think maybe it's not right for the lamp base. Something about it is throwing me off. I love the way the rattan looks up against the olive and the stripes, but I kind of like how clean that looks. Let's turn them on. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so I will say this one gives off more light because the top of the lamp is more open than this one. So I think I'm going to stick with the white shade. You guys let me know down in the comments which one you like better though. I'll probably just use this one in a different space. It's so pretty. So pretty.
Gucci wagon got a brag and put a rock on that. Niggas always in her DM, she don't holler back. Whoop, whoop. Got me that. I've been cuffing Chanel bags like it's nothing. And she loved him. My last nigga, he was bluffing. He said, fuck him. He let that go on like he bugging. Now she thugging.
Okay, so I completely forgot that I wanted to add some sconces on this wall. One above the sculpture and one on the other side of the TV, somewhere over here. And I showed these to you guys in a different haul. They're from Zara Home and I got them on sale. They're adjustable so I can bend them, which is probably what I'm gonna do. I thought that would be a nice way to add some silver because I've been digging that lately. So yeah. Now the puck lights that I ordered to go inside of these won't be here until tonight. Actually, let me see if they're here yet. Yeah, they won't be here until later tonight. But it's fine. I'm going to go ahead and hang these up so I can get some final shots. And then in the morning, I'll get a few more with them lit. So yeah.
With a real one, I've been falling on you, smile on you. All my homies know me best, they say I'm falling for you. And that boss be slippery like trying to walk on oil.
Oh my gosh, that was like the perfect touch. They look a bit off from over here, but it's because I'm from an angle. Let me see if I can get straight on. Okay, that's a bit better. I'm actually on my bed. So you can see they're level and they look so good. Cannot wait to put lights in them.
And I be there long as you there when I be calling for you. Girl, as long as you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you everything. Whatever you need, listen to your heart. You can get whatever you want. Whatever you need, got a one-way flight, so I ain't letting you leave. When you first night, hand me back and you please. But you love when I'm begging, you told me get on my knees and I ate it, we got faded. You said put some Tory Lanez on and I played it. And Philly, we take you the main joint and we save it. Finally got a rich, baby, you made it. Long as you hold me down, you know that it's going down. Be there when I turn around and I turn your world around. I had to tone it down, cause you made me slow it down. But I got you open now, so I'm about to show you now. What makes you think that I would try to run a game on you? Just to show us my name is Dollar. I'll be there for you and I treat you just like a queen to keep fun thing. Never have to worry about another in your place. So believe me when I say, wrap your arms around me.
Didn't I tell you?
Didn't I tell you?
I did that, if I did say so myself. Okay. So that is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I'm so happy with my bedroom, and I hope you guys got inspired as well. Let me know if you have any questions, and also let me know which lampshade you like the best, because I'm torn. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, that wasn't right.